Okay.
So
today we're going to start off by putting a big old hole in the roof.
Yes.
For our Maxxair Fan.
It's going to be the scariest thing in the world.
Yeah. We've seen a few people use these things, so they're Max, so we're thinking, why not? Has the remote and everything, covers rain stuff, so.
Jinx. But yes, we got the one with the little shield on it, so
yeah,
the weather, if it rains, it doesn't come through. But
yeah,
thought it was a good buy, so we're gonna hopefully get it in today.
Without making too many mistakes.
And putting the wrong hole in our roof.
Radio. Yeah, so we've chosen to put the Maxxair Fan right here because it's pretty central in the bus, and it's right above our stovetop, as well as our showers about 1 metre away too. So we just thought we didn't want to go with the one, so we thought the middle would probably just be the go, to be honest. But yeah, I've got to peel back some of this insulation, stick it out of the way for a minute, and then get cutting. Put it all back later. Yeah, so I'm just using this as a template to make up a timber frame for the fan out of 45mm timber. Got our frame, let's whack her in now. First hole in the bus. Let's get it. There we are. Sunlight. So I'm just marking out between the 4 holes now to give me my square, and we're going to cut straight through it. So I'm just putting a little coat of metal paint up here to stop this edge from rusting. Well, we're under some pressure this morning. We're meant to get a bit of rain this arvo, so this needs to be done ASAP. So I'm just going to take these clamps off and see how it went. Alright, time to fit this now. It's a very tight fit, but that's what we want. Look at that.
Yay!
I'm just going to pre-drill and start getting the screws in the top. Yeah, so I've just put all the screws in the roof now. I've masked up around the edges, and I'm about to put some marine flex sealant on it. This stuff is shock absorbent and won't crack when we're driving, so, and it's fully waterproof, and yeah, so we're gonna get onto that now and try not make too much of a mess of it. Four screws and we're home. Yeah, so the next step is to drill through this frame here, and I'll run this wiring to the wiring that I've already run underneath the insulation. And then we're all done.
Okay, so today is a very exciting day because it's the last day that we're going to have no structures in the bus. We are going to be building our bed frame, and it's going to be a floating style frame so we can maximise the storage under the bed. Liam's just gone and bought some steel beams that we're going to be running across the bus with some angle. And yeah, let's get stuck in.
So I'm just making up a couple of brackets out of steel that we can bolt to inside the bus, and then we can have our floating bed on top of that. So I've painted these brackets here. We're just using the existing holes in the frame of the bus. Chuck a couple high tensile nuts and bolts in there. Same manager. So I'm just making up some boxes around these corners so we can get to the tail lights in the future if you need to. But this is just a door here, and we're going to put a couple of hinges so it can kind of close up and swing out when we need to. So that's pretty much the bedroom area done for now. The only thing we have left to do is chuck some bed slats on and put a little wall here just to separate it from the kitchen a bit. Before we do that though, we've got a few things to do under the bed, like the 12 volt, the gas compartment and some drawers here, which that will support the bed a little bit more too. But yeah, that's it for now.
Alright, so we decided to go with mattress in a box just because it's going to be super easy to get in the bus, but there's a few mattress brands that do mattresses in a box, but we decided to go with Eva Home because they have really good reviews. We also love that it comes with adjustable layers, so soft, medium or firm we can decide once we open it. And we love the fact that they have a machine washable topper, which is all super handy when you're living on the road. But yeah, we're not going to put it in just yet, but we're super excited to give it a try.
Right, so that's a wrap for this episode. Yeah, the Maxxair Fan and the bed frame. Also, we just realised we've been calling this thing we've been calling it an Air Max fan, but it's actually a Maxxair fan.
Yeah, I don't know how we stuffed that up, but it's not actually an Air Max fan. It's a Maxxair fan.
I don't know where Air Max came from.
I don't either. We just...
Yeah, anyway, moving on.
But yeah, so while we've been doing all this, we've been trying to organise our bathroom. So we've pretty much bought everything up until now for it, but one of our biggest problems was because of the space of our shower, we needed a custom shower base.
Got a bend in it and everything too.
Yeah,
so.
and we didn't want to go with a fiberglass base, so stainless steel it was. But the biggest issue we came across was when we went to a fabricator. We actually went to a couple, and we come from a small town, and like the wait was going to be over 2 months.
A couple of months, yeah.
So that would have set us back heaps of time. But we were so lucky to find this independent guy who's also local who did it for us within a week. So
yeah, smashed it.
We're stoked.
It's about $700, so
yeah,
that's all right for a stainless steel shower base like that. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're really happy with it, and yeah, that's going to be our next episode.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been keeping track as well of everything.
How much you're spending,
what this has cost us so far, so that might be in a future episode where we let you know how much it's cost us.
Start letting you know as we go along what we spend on each thing and each section, and yeah.
And we thought that would be helpful too, so yeah.
Oh yeah.
See you in bathroom week, eh?
Yeah, so I don't even know what this is called. Fuck, I'm good, eh?
Okay, so time that we will see the ocean.